Hello guys, I'm Nishita. Today I'm here to present my project which is on drug quality detection using FatersRCNN-RESNET-INCEPTION The use case is the drug quality detection at dispatching unit of drug manufacturing company to avoid dispatching false quality or badly sealed medicines which might turn out as poison due to bad sealing exposing to air or any pollution. The approach I have used here is supposed to be using deep learning and computer vision technologies. And for object detection, I'm using model architecture, faster RCNN ResNet-Inception V2. This is the hybrid model which includes faster RCNN ResNet and Inception. This is new and highly popular architecture which is used for object detection. And for the data collection, I have collected from iPhone with frame rate of 30 frames per second and collected video data for different variants of drug or medicine, and each video for around 20 seconds in total. There were 10 videos. And for the data preparation, once the video data were collected, they were converted into frames as said before, and we have just considered 4 to 5 frames per second out of 30 frames per second. Once the data was ready, I have split the data into train and test, where training images were 488 and test images were 122. And you can see the sample images below. So for the data annotation, I have used label IMG tool to annotate the images, and I have considered 4 classes, namely tablet presence, tablet absence, good sealing, bad sealing. This annotation took me around 5 hours, and the work done were saved in terms of .xml files. So for the preparation of training the model, so once the data was collected for the training, here I have used pre-trained object detection model. So while training the data, I have used batch size of 2, and learning rate initially was set as 0.008 till 7k steps, and then model was not converging. So I had to change the learning rate of to 0.001 and then achieve the good loss. So some of the visualization of loss can be inferred from this graph, where you can see a different kinds of loss and also a total loss on the right side. So the inference which can be made here is this was tested on 15 unseen data and setting the min threshold score of 0.95, which means the model should detect only the classes which have confidence score equal to or more than 95% accurate. And these are some of the objects which are being detected. The first, on the top of left, you can see that there is a spray bottle with a good sealing, which is 100%. Again, on your right top, you can see the bad sealing, which is supposed to be on a spray bottle. And bottom right, you can see that there is again with a good sealing and then a bad sealing. So on your left, you can see the tablet presence and tablet absence for the object, and on your right you can see the same width along with the good sealing and bad sealing. Again, this is another object detection. These are examples which I have put, and this is another one. Okay, one of the major challenge which I faced here was, for most of the images the detection is really good, apart from one image where the image was tested making the background little dark, which was not fed to training, just to understand if lighting good conditions varies, how the detection will be. So here also we got a pretty good results, and some are not detected since it was a dark lighting. So here the conclusion I can make here is this project can be applicable in real time for a better quality check and save many lives out there who might be affected due to bad packaging of medicine. And this project can be enhanced further by deploying it in production environment using Docker containers in cloud via API and queue system integrated pipeline format. You can also deploy it in edge devices provided we should use some lightweight models such as MobileNet, TF Lite, or TinyYOLO. So you can find my blog post on the same and also the GitHub link over here to check the code. So thank you.